I was telling about why photonics is not the next big thing, but is happening right now. I talked about the challenges that we are all facing as an industry and also as companies that want to push this needle forward. I was talking about why it opens up new markets, not only in computing, but also far wider. I was doing some pop culture references. I don't know if it ticked with the public, but I think so. Now I'm gonna ask you to try to picture Mila Jovovich from The Fifth Element as me saying multipass, because this is exactly what I see in my head when I see those channels of data flowing down one single fiber. I will mention one by mentioning those three that I did. It's manufacturing complexity, it's maturity of the supply chain, and its costs. And when you bundle those three together, when you solve them, you can move forward. But as I mentioned, the fun part is that all of those challenges are well known, they're identified, and they're being worked on since the 1970s. And we are seeing progress as we speak, seeing photonics being on main stages and in mainstream media. And this is exactly what is so exciting, that we are witnessing this in our lifetime. The main opportunity is to be consistent. The main opportunity is not to let go. The main opportunity is to use the possibility of collaborating on very difficult topics, on bringing light-based solutions, semiconductor solutions into wider adaptation, and trying to think from the very beginning of the applicability of the technology. So the opportunity is that we can do a lot with simulation right now. We can lean a lot on the AI that is supporting us. We can use this like never before to iterate faster. And this is the true opportunity.